How to create Skype account in laptop. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first open your preferred browser and then search for Skype sign up. Now simply go to the Skype website and select open Skype in your browser, or you can also use the desktop version by downloading Skype. Now in order to create your details, simply use your Microsoft account, or you can also use your Gmail account. Then enter your first name and last name, tap on next, and now your Skype account is created. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.